Hello everyone, welcome to Dream Decor. Today in this video I share with you some modern country home decorating ideas. Let's see the video. Modern country home decor blends rustic charm with clean, contemporary touches for a fresh, cozy look. Here are some stylish decorating ideas to bring modern country vibes into your space. Neutral color palette with warm accents. Use soft neutrals like white, green, taupe, and grey. Add warmth with anti-tones, muted greens, terracotta, warm woods, and soft blues. Incorporate texture with linen, cotton, jute, or wool. Mix of old and new. Pair sleek, modern furniture with vintage or distressed wood pieces. Combine metal fixtures like black iron or brushed brass with rustic finishes. Use reclaimed wood beams or chiplet to add country character. Natural materials. Expose wood floors, beams, or stone walls where possible. Add baskets, open rugs, and pattern accents. Use ceramic, terracotta, and clay decor for organic touches. Modern farmers lighting. Install statement lighting like lantern style pendants, lit plant sconces, or industrial candle lamps. Consider emphasized minimalist features in metal or wood to balance country warmth and modern linens. Cozy layered textiles. Layer chunky knit throws, plaid, or floral cushions. Add textured bedding. Choose classic country patterns like gingham, tacking stripe, or subtle florals in updated hues. Clean knitted country furniture. Opt for simple, functional furniture with cleanliness but rustic finishes. Farmhouse tables with modern chairs or sleek sofas with linen slipcovers work beautifully. Nature-inspired decor. Display dried flowers, wild greenery, or branches in simple vases. Use botanical prints, nature-inspired artwork, or wildlife motifs subtly. Minimalist wall decor with character. Keep walls clean and old-style sliding doors, black and white photography, or antique-style frames. Open shelving and functional displays. In the kitchen or living space, use open wood or metal shelves for everyday items in pretty displays. Mix glass jars, ceramics, wood books, and vintage frames. Outdoor inspired elements bring the country feel inside with items like wood crates, wicker baskets, galvanized metal accessories, enamelware, or rustic pottery. Statement barn doors. Use sliding barn doors with a modern twist, paint trim, and black, wood grain, or soft white. Try minimalist hardware to keep it sleek but still furnace inspired. Black accents for contrast. Introduce black window frames, picture frames, or light features for the crisp contemporary taste. Black balances out the rustic tones and creates a grounded, curated look. Built-in benches and nooks. Add a built-in bench near a window or entryway with cozy cushions. A breakfast nook with a rustic table and modern chairs adds charm and functionality. Reclaimed wood features. Create an accent wall or headboard from reclaimed wood. Simplified farmhouse kitchens. White or sash shaker cabinets plus butcher block or marble countertops. Perfect blend. Add gold or black hardware for a modern touch. Incorporate vintage style appliances in modern finishes. Modern country bathroom touches. Use subway tiles or shiplap for the walls. Install a freestanding tub or a throw style sink. Mix in matte black or brush fixtures with a reclaimed wood vanity. Layered lighting. Combine overhead lighting, wall sconces, and table lamps with cozy shades. I think these tips help you. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe my